Hello students, in this video we will discuss about how to find the area bounded by a curve and a straight line. In previous video we will discuss about the area bounded by a simple curve. Simple curve means as a circle, square, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, etc. Now here take one curve and one straight line. We take here one example. Suppose this is a curve. This is the equation. Suppose we take y equal to f of x is a curve. Let y equal to f of x is a curve and lines x equal to a and x equal to b are given. So how to find the area bounded by this curve and given this line? First we draw the graph of this curve and the line. Since this is the y equal to f of x, suppose this is the graph of the y equal to f of x and x equal to a is a line. X equal to a is a line means suppose this is the point A. Since x equal to a, this is a equation of a line parallel to y axis. Suppose this a, then this will be x equal to a, and suppose this is the b. That means this is the x equal to b. Now if you find the area of this region, then we can find area of bounded region equal to integration over a to b y into dx. Means we draw the small strips along x-axis, and suppose width of this strip is dx and length is y. So this will be a to b y into dx. This is the area of given curve. Now if you take a function x equal to g of x or x equal to f of y and line y equal to c and y equal to d, then what will be area bounded by this curve and the given lines? If we draw the graph of this, since this function along the y-axis, that means suppose this is a function, and if we want to area bounded by y equal to c and y equal to d, suppose this is the y equal to c, which is a line parallel to x-axis, y equal to c, and this is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis, y equal to d. So this point will be c and this point will be d, and want to find the area of this bounded region. So for this we should be draw small strips along y-axis and parallel to x-axis, and this width of this strip is dy, which is very very small, and length of this strip is x. Therefore area of bounded region will be equal to integration over c to d, the width into length means length into width, that means x into dy. By the help of this formula, we can find the area of the bounded region by this curve and given line. Now, in both situations, this curve may be in the negative direction of the x-axis, that means below the x-axis. In this situation, this is the greater than 0. In this situation, this is also greater than 0. But these curves, if this curve below the x-axis, then this will be less than 0, and area will be, we can find the same formula, but area will be calculated to negative. But as you know that area never negative, so we take the area of that below curve will be as a modulus, that means positive. And the same way, in this case, if this curve given in the negative direction of the y-axis, then area of that curve will be negative, but we should be take as a modulus. Now in the next video, we will take symmetric curves.